Guys, ladies and gentlemen, drum roll please. I have missed you guys so much. I know you guys have been following me from the very beginning. You guys know how hard this was to put together. And I cannot wait to tell you guys that we are going to be finally unveiling this wicked food trailer. It's coming out on the 2nd of July, and guys, stay tuned for where it's going to be located. But finally, we'll be selling food. So I cannot thank you guys enough, because without your help, without your support, I don't know if I could have been able to put this together. So please subscribe. I know 79% of you are not subscribed. So if you go ahead and subscribe, you'll be helping me out. Just one little button. Press it like that. Like this. Alright, so go ahead and do that. And hit that like button. Smash that like button. Whatever you want to do. But I'll see you guys on the 2nd of July. And let's just make this thing huge together. Scarborough Nation, let's go. Let's go!
Impossible to actually start even closer to the I got the fire on the double. I got the fire on the double. I done gal with the ass with the bubble. I got the fire on the doubles.
So is there a shark in that area that...
Well, they don't sell shark anymore because the shark that they have there is endangered. This one is not endangered. Not endangered.
Yeah, I can see
No
that.
bacon, shark, no pepper.
If I'm in your way, just yell at me.
Huh?
I give you one already now.
The next after this is her face. So doubles, no pepper.
Oh, this is the shot I was dreaming of last night.
Yeah. We're gonna do it again anyways, one more time when I'm more organized.
Yeah. When I said Ling was melting, I wasn't kidding, bro.
You're putting that? Three bacon, shark, after this other.
Oh,
Lovely.
lovely.
I say lovely.
I thought he told him to get the fuck out or something. Oh, baby.
It just gives this feeling sometimes. How you say it.
Yeah.
Sir, threesome. Okay. With two. Sir, it's too thick and
Too thick. You're the last thing.
and then after make it a little smaller. You want to make it more, you know?
What did you think of the salad?
What?
Kissing the babies and hugging the ladies.
Yeah. That's what I do, bro.
What did you do?
Am I eating that?
Yeah.
How it went?
You're good now. Yeah.